What are you doing?
So, I did a different mix of chemicals to see if we can't get these back to being white like they're supposed to be. And I'm gonna scrub the snot out of them. I went with a little more aggressive cleaner. And I'm hoping that it's gonna work. Because I'm assuming that the other chemicals that we used were just not strong enough. So it's gonna take another round. But that's a million times better.
We already did this one back here, so. I mean, they're still yellowing on the edge.
I might need to do another scrub. It's very possible.
Yeah.
Because the second I sprayed the new stuff on, it literally was just dripping off the dark. So I'm thinking that either our chemicals were not strong enough at the time to get the white walls where they need to be, and now that you pointed that out to me, yeah, I'm going to redo this one again. Or the stuff that they use to protect them is so strong. Either way, not strong enough chemicals on our behalf. So, but yeah, I mean, we'll get it. If not, Bobby's already spoken to the owner on warrantying them out and changing them slightly.
Well, getting a replacement from the vendor,
Right.
whether it's the same or maybe something similar,
Right.
as long as we don't go with some wide whites, because it's not a it's not a low hoopty.
Yeah.
But late 60s caddy slammed out on wide whites.
Oh yeah. Yeah.
Anyway,
Okay. Well, Xander pointed that out to me, so I'll get this one done again. We'll get the front one done
do it again.
It is what it is.
Somebody whip him.
Whip it good. Dun-dun-dun-dun-dun. Ooh, sorry.
What?
You're too young to know that one.
I can see your nipple piercings.
They're not pierced.
He's lying.
Oh, I know. Oh.
I don't want to know.
That's the one thing I will never pierce. That and my will never be pierced. But on that note, ladies and gentlemen,
Oh my God.
give us a shot and we'll see what we can do.